So this is the US oil analysis for Friday the 1st of December. So let's have a look at what happened with prices. So we've had a negative reaction to this 58.28. We've come down, we've broken below these what we would expect to have held as support at 57.12. Broken below that level, traded all the way down to this essentially 56.75. Did catch a bit of a bid from there, had a move to the upside, came pretty close to the 400 period moving average. Again, we've seen some sell side momentum taking us down to that 56.80, and again we've had the sell side momentum continuation. Overall, this move here does appear somewhat consolidative. Let's see where. So this move here appears somewhat consolidative, and if we do see further retracement or a possible reversal to the upside, we're looking to see our price react at 57.75. Beyond 57.75, we're looking to see our prices react to the 400 period moving average here. Now, if we do break down again, 57.12 is a target, after which we're looking for that 56.80. And let's just scale out a bit so we can get some perspective. Yeah, there we are. So to the upside, potentially we could move beyond 57.12, then after which we're looking for that 58.28. Now to the downside, we're looking at more recently, so we've got 56.80, beyond which we're looking for the round number of 56. So let's just get down the charts. There we are. So on the charts, we're potentially looking for to see our price react if we do successfully navigate the 56, around the 56.90s or so. Let's just have a check to see where those levels are. There we are. So they're at so around 57.80. Yep, so 56.80, sorry. So we're in around at 56.80. So if we do break down from there, we can see our price direct as 56, after which we're looking at 55.73. Expect 55.73 to be the far end of the range, and to the upper end of the range, we're looking at this level here in around that 58.28 level. Now, let's just have a look at the daily chart before wrapping up here on the US oil. So, oh my word. Are you for real, fella? Wow, I've just noticed something. I've just noticed something. I've actually done the analysis on a 15-minute chart. Most of it's going to be still be the same anyway. So the only difference is going to be we've mentioned levels. We've mentioned 55.73. The only thing is we've reacted to this 400 period moving average here. So we've had a reaction there. We've had another reaction there from the 400 period average. We mentioned all the targets to the upside. Far end of the range from where we are at present is possibly in around 58.28, or if we do trade above that, 159, the most recent highs, would have to be our target. Overall, as you can see, is we did come off quite a bit off the target. We've had a consolidation breakdown, again. So let's see. So consolidation breakdown. So we've got a high, got a lower high there, and we're having a retracement, so we could potentially see more downside momentum coming into the market, targeting that 56.80 level, and beyond which we're looking for that 56 level, and from there 55.73. Overall, we do appear to have had a bearish downside momentum coming into this market. But we have to be cautious of this retracement because it may turn into a bit of a reversal. And we'd have to see stronger candles than we are at present. These candles do appear weak, so we do look poised for more downside momentum potentially if we can break below this 400 period moving average. So let's just have a look at the daily charts now after the whole little debacle just there. So if we head over to the daily charts and we get the pen, so there we are. So we've had a series of higher lows, which have been pretty supportive of bullish price actions. The overall price action is to the upside. We've had a few deep retracements along the way, but it should be expected. It is oil after all, so oil is quite volatile. But overall, we're expecting further upside momentum to come in to this market. Unless we do have a bit of a turnaround from this 59 and it does prove to be the high and we don't actually get up towards that $60 a barrel, after which we'll be looking for potentially for prices to reverse. But at present, the trend does seem to be still intact. Now that should wrap up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.